Let's talk about what's happening on the radar right now. We've got showers and thunderstorms moving up through the area, and this was a significant, pretty strong thunderstorm actually. The National Weather Service issued a significant weather advisory for this, which just expired a few moments ago, but it did produce a waterspout that moved on land around Juneau Beach and has the potential for a few more funnel clouds possibly as it continues to move to the north right now, but it is starting to lose some of its intensity. It's starting to weaken a little bit as it makes its way up to the north. But I tracked it for you anyway, so if you are anywhere north of where this thunderstorm is at the moment, it could be headed your way. It's headed up toward Mariner Sands at about 5 minutes after noon, Rocky Point right after that, and then about 12:29 p.m. if it makes it that far north, it should be in the Stewart area. Also, this little shower moving up into Indian River County right now. That'll be in Vero Beach just after noontime, Gifford at about 12:12, and Fellsmere at around 12:30 if it makes it that far. There's also a shower that just popped up around Lion Country Safari, some pretty heavy rainfall there. That's tracking to the north. It could be in the acreage just after noontime, around 6 minutes after noon. Palm Beach Gardens at about 12:22, PGA National at about 12:24. So, as we continue into the afternoon hours, we have the daytime heating, we've got the moisture around, we've got the elements necessary for showers and thunderstorms to develop. Along the sea breeze, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms. Any thunderstorm that develops this afternoon could be on the stronger side, and then some of those storms will push back toward the coast as we get to the late afternoon hours and into the early evening hours. Then eventually things will start to taper off around 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. We'll see a general clearing across the area and a lot more stars will come out. So it looks a little like this. It goes up, our rain chances go up to around 50% by mid to late afternoon and then slowly taper off about 30% by 8 p.m. and only about 10% by midnight. Temperatures right now, you see the rain-cooled air in Jupiter knock the temperature down a lot, but we're basically in the mid to upper 80s. It's going to feel like it's in the upper 90s this afternoon with the humidity. It's going to feel like 98 in Okeechobee. It's going to feel like 98 in Vero, 98 West Palm, 99 in Boca and in Belle Glade this afternoon. Quickly out to the tropics we go. One more look at tropical depression number 2 for this newscast. Could become tropical storm Beryl tomorrow. The best news about this storm is that before it really has any impact on anyone, it's going to start to fall apart over the weekend. And by Sunday night into Monday, it should completely fall apart. It may spread some rainfall, though, over the Lesser Antilles here as it moves over toward the Caribbean. Let's take a quick look at your 7-day forecast. Right now, temperatures, as I mentioned, getting up into the mid to upper 80s. We'll make it in the upper 80s, low 90s today. 50% chance for rain today, 50% tomorrow, and dropping down to 40% over the weekend and through most of next week. That's a look at your forecast.